Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my lazy chili chicken recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. You probably already have all the ingredients needed for this recipe, so I'll just go right ahead and start. So you need a food processor and just follow the measurements on the screen. Here I'm just cutting through my chicken. After about 25 minutes, flip the chicken to get the other side grilled. And after an additional 20 minutes, your chicken is now ready. This chicken is so juicy and so delicious. Please try it out and leave a comment to let me know if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you on the next one. Bye.